Hi, I'm Steven Pecotic. I'm the General Manager of Formstruct, based in Brebba Lake, and we have an office in Tom Price. We provide construction services throughout the Pilbara, predominantly for Rio Tinto. Formstruct was established in 1979 by my father Vic. He believed in a hard day's work for a fair day's pay. Through our relationship with Rio Tinto, we've been able to grow our business and been able to employ more local contractors.
My grandfather Vic started this company a long time before I was born. My father now runs the company. I want to take over the company one day. Hi, my name's Steven Pecotic and I'm a civil construction worker here at Formstruct. To operate one of these machines, it's not easy. I went through a lot of training to get this job.
I'm very proud of having the opportunity to work with my son and training him up. I think he'll be a perfect fit to take the business to the next level.
It's thanks to Rio Tinto that I'm doing the work that I'm doing. In 20 years from now, I want to be sitting in the boss's chair.